Let me show you how to create this text portrait effect in Photoshop. Go to View and choose New Guide Layout. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Now choose the Type tool. Write your text. This is the font that I am using. Choose the image layer. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Drag it on top of the layers. Hide the upper layer and choose the lower layer. Hide the text layer. Choose the Marquee Selection tool. Follow this process. Add a layer mask. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Drag this layer to the back. Unhide the text layer and this image layer. Hold Alt and click here to create a clipping mask. Now go to Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient Map. Follow this process. This is the color that I am using. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Thanks for your support.